Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Studio tutorial series of iTech Aspirant. In this video, we'll learn about one of the most important UI components in Android, the linear layout. We will learn and create a simple user registration form. Linear layout is one of the most basic and commonly used layout types in Android. It is a view group that arranges its children in a single direction, either vertically or horizontally. We also used a nested linear layout to arrange the gender options horizontally. In the next video, we'll explore other layout types, so if you haven't subscribed or checked out the playlist yet, make sure to do that now and stay updated. First, we create a new layout file. Name it something like form or login form. Select linear layout as the layout type, and then click Finish. Wait for Gradles to import. If Android orientation is horizontal, items will be placed left to right. And if Android orientation is vertical, items will be placed top to bottom. We'll now design a simple form using vertical orientation. First, add a text view with the label full name. Extract string resource. We've already covered these ID and basic attributes of TextView and EditText in previous videos, so I'll quickly repeat a few key points, but won't go into full detail again. Below that, place an EditText where the user can enter their full name. Padding adds space between the edges of the layout and its inner content, making everything look less cramped and more readable. Set input type text person name. Repeat the same steps for email, phone and password by copy and paste this. Just change the ID, hints and input type on it. When we use input type text email address, Android automatically shows a keyboard with the @ symbol, making it easier to type an email. Remove ID from static text view labels unless you have a reason to access them. Now we repeat the same steps for phone number. Input type phone brings up a numeric keypad. Paste for password. Input type text password hides the characters for security. For gender, we'll use a nested linear layout inside the main layout. We use it to set its orientation to horizontal. Then we added 3 radio buttons inside that horizontal layout. Now if we add another button by copy-pasting it, it will appear vertically. Because I haven't closed the bracket of the nested linear layout yet. Now it's correct, let's change the name and ID of button. We forget to add a text view of gender above. Let's do that. After all, add a submit button at the bottom. Our layout form is ready now. Also, don't forget to check out my previous video where I showed how to link a button to another screen and make an addition calculator app. And tell me in the comments when you've made it. It really motivates me to keep sharing more helpful tutorials. In the next video, we'll learn about constraint layout and relative layout. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also access the playlist. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.